Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm trying to spend the weekend with me kind of vlog. So far, it's been flopping, but let's see. Some are big hair, no, I like big kinky hairs, but they occupy space and they can be a lot to deal with. So this hair and me, we've been struggling this weekend, but we're still cute or whatever. So right now I'm on my way for appointment. I do have what they call those people that for eye optical appointments, optician appointments. Yeah, I'm going to figure out if my condition is better or worse. For some weird reason, I think it might be a little bit worse. I don't know, like I can just feel like my eyes have gotten worse. And I feel like I need an updated prescription for my glasses. But let's see how it goes. Because I've been straining my eyes a lot more. I'm on my phone a lot more lately, especially with YouTube, editing, filming. It's just been a whole thing. So I'm trying to adjust my routine and myself to this new normal I have created for myself. Instead, this YouTube, we cannot quit now, can we? We cannot. Anyways, so I'm going for my eye appointment, and that after that I have a training at 1 o'clock. It's like a personal development kind of training. I think it's from 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. It's virtual, so that's good. So I will do that, and then after that I have a friend that wants to go together so that we can go do some. She wants to buy something, and she needs an extra set of eyes. Pun it, do you guys get it? An extra set of eyes. A very dry joke. But anyways, so she needs me because I come with 2 eyes. She needs me to just go with her and help her decide for some stuff. And after that, then I have a friend's birthday at 7 o'clock or 7 p.m. that I need to go for. But yeah, that's basically what my Saturday is looking like right now. It's all over the place, but I promise it's going to make sense. Honestly, most of my weekends are usually all over the place. So you guys are just seeing this chaotic part because that's what it is. Anyways, let us go. So I'm back home and I need to join my training that was supposed to start at 1. It said at 1, but I go home at 1:30, so I'm 30 minutes late. So I need to plug in ASAP and do that right now, literally.
I began to ask myself the questions I'm asking you right now. Where am I going? Who am I? What do I have? What can I do? What's the vision? Who do I need? Who do I walk with? Can everybody be my friend? Can I walk with everybody? Do you understand? Who are the people that I admire? Whose journey do I admire? And I those values as my values. Some of those values were current.
Just backtrack a lot because if y'all remember, I did
than we do with the girls. So little preface, Ryan started are 18 months apart. So you didn't want any.
Yeah, I didn't want any, and then eventually.
So I'm here. I've gotten ready for my friend's birthday party at 7 p.m. I'm late because right now it's past 7:30, so we need to run. My friend came over. We didn't end up going shopping as we were supposed to. She just came over and we just talked and chatted and girl stuff. Yeah. What weather is this? Oh my lord. Okay. Okay. Why did I even look cute? The snow is just going to come and take away the cuteness. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in Antarctica right now. So I'm running late to church. I'm early though, but I can't move. Like, my whole car is white. I've tried to shovel the snow away, but still, I mean, let me show you what the front is looking like right now. Like, see, I have to wait for all this to defrost. The side, the back, like, what is going on? So I just realized that I didn't update you guys yesterday. So I got back home a little bit late, but I had to go to bed because obviously I had to prepare for church this morning. But it was nice, you know, it was like a small birthday gathering, games, karaoke, chilled, loud discussion, that kind of thing. So it was all good. I'm trying to see how far my car has come. You know, I hate when it snows on Sunday because I feel like it just disrupts plans. And I was like, this weather will not stop me. Will not stop me. I'm gonna go to church. Church is a must. And then you have to even drive carefully because, this weather, you cannot be doing swerve. You cannot. Like, you have to be careful. But what do we do? Let's chill. Let's gist. Let me see how far. Bro. No, this kind of things that even if I'm running late, I don't really used to care about it because safety is the most important thing. Bruv. I'm just thinking about my life and how I'm going to drive in this weather. I try to like manipulate the system by try to use my wind fluid wiper. I think that's what it's called. But it was frozen, so okay, let me see if I can help the ministry. I got my equipment. Let's see if I can elevate the process. How about that? So, shoveling. Oh no. Hello guys, hello. So I'm back from church and bruh, the weather out there, it's not for the faint of heart because what is going on? Like, this weather has been like, I don't even know the word. You know when you dangle candy in front of a kid? It's like summer, and then winter, like, and you know the funny thing? We can't even complain because technically we're in March. So it's normal for snow to fall. But why are we offended? Because it has been dangling summer in our eyes all along. You know? Even some shops are starting to bring out bikini. Bikini in this weather. But because they are confused too. We're all confused. Anyways, like, the weather out there is really crazy. Like, people really need to drive safe. Those truck drivers, oh my god, I don't know, they think that they run the world because those truck drivers will be doing vroom on the road. Like, sir, why are you looking at me and being like all judgy because I'm driving slow? Like, I don't see the weather. All the cars I saw sliding on the road today, truck drivers, because they think they got the road. They think because you have your one tire is bigger than all my 4 tires, you want to be oppressing me on the streets, huh? Like, it's so crazy. Stay safe, guys. This Canada, this Regina, to be precise, the weather, I cannot. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I will catch you on my next video and have a blessed day. Bye.